Well, I thought I'd show you guys what we use for a kitchen. I know we've talked to some people in the campgrounds and they seem to be impressed with our setup for a kitchen. This is what I carry every time we go somewhere. So I thought I'd share it with you guys today and let you see what it is. Well, just another day at the campsite. Smoking ribs today. But the whole camp's smelling that. Wind's blowing it right up to the middle of it. Should be good here in a little while. So we use a 10-foot, it's a 10 by 10 pop-up. And if you want to know what brand it is, it's ABC Canopy. You can look those up. Then we use the, I don't want to call it a throw rug. It ain't really a throw rug. It's made out of like straw plastic material. And of course I got a buddy heater for morning into like this. It's 56 degrees this morning where I'm at. Then we use a propane grill. And yep, I cooked on it last night. I still haven't cleaned it. Then we use a 3-in-1. This 3-in-1 is pretty neat though. It's 2 cups of coffee, and then on the top of it, it has a griddle. You can actually cook eggs and stuff on it. That's just dirt and dust flying around from yesterday. We had a windstorm here and it blew dirt everywhere. And then it's got a oven on it, so you can cook toast and bagels and that kind of stuff. Then I call this my sunflower heater. It does really good. Haven't had to use it on this trip, but I brought it. And then we use an induction, and I don't even know how to pronounce that name, but you can see what it is. But it's a dual 1800 watt, and it divides it between the two when you're cooking. Does a really good job. We use it all the time. Then this smoker, this is a Masterbuilt smoker. It's electric. And I've had this thing for over 10 years now. And it's like the old Ronco's. You just set it and forget it. It just does what it does. Of course, we keep us a couple of chairs here where you can sit around and do your cooking and socializing. And the lights, they're all LED. Lights it up really good out here at night though. So for the ones of you that's been wanting to know about how we cook and stuff, that's it. Oh, these tables, you can go look. I did a review on these tables a long time ago when I first got the first one of them. And these were not sponsored, we bought them. But I just thought they were a really cool table, and they're called King Camps. And they set up like in minutes. This whole top here, it folds up like accordion style. And then the base of it folds up accordion style. And it goes in a small bag, so super lightweight, easy to clean. I know you can't tell today, we got really dirty here yesterday. In fact, you can see all the dirt and the leaves and stuff that got blown in here. I'm gonna take a blower here in a little while and clean all this up, wipe it all back down. So this is the view from the kitchen. Not bad, huh? And we've been here for a week now. Gotta go home tomorrow. Take us a few days to get back home. Time you guys see us, it'll already be done. Daryl's showing up to see me this morning. We've been down here chatting. He don't know it, but he's gonna be on YouTube. Say hey, Daryl. That's right.